Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-column list section on mobile in Squarespace. This is particularly useful if you want to maximize screen space on mobile devices and display your content in a more compact, organized format rather than having everything stacked in a single column. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in squarespace.com. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to edit, as this will ensure you can make the necessary changes. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. Here, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to create the two-column list section on mobile. This will open up the editor for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now focus on the left side menu. You'll see several options available for managing your site. Click on Website, and underneath it, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to access the structure of your site. This is where you can view and manage all the different sections and pages that make up your website. At this point, you should have a simple list section already set up. Just to clarify, we're working with a simple list here, not a carousel and not a banner. The goal is to transform this single column list into a two-column layout specifically for mobile viewing. Head back to the left side menu and look for Custom Code. Click on it, and underneath it, you'll see Custom CSS. Click on Custom CSS to open the CSS editor. This is where you'll be able to add custom styling code to modify how your list appears on mobile devices. Before we add the code, let's check what the mobile view currently looks like. You can toggle to mobile view within the editor, and you'll notice that your list is displayed as a single column. It's functional, but it doesn't make the best use of the available screen space on mobile devices. Now, I have some custom CSS code that will transform this into a two-column list. Feel free to pause the video at this point so you can copy the code accurately. Take your time to ensure you've got everything copied correctly, as even a small typo can prevent the code from working properly. Once you've finished copying the code, return to the custom CSS field in Squarespace and paste it in. After you've pasted the code, look for the Save button and click it. This will apply your custom styling to the site and activate the two-column layout on mobile. Now switch back to your mobile view and you'll see that your simple list section is now displayed as a two-column list. The transformation makes your content more compact and visually appealing on smaller screens, improving the overall user experience for mobile visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created a two-column list section on mobile in Squarespace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.